So, using the documents above, create your pre-write about whether or not the NBA should continue to work with China. You'll be writing a paragraph that includes a topic sentence, 3 pieces of evidence, and a concluding sentence. A useful hint: use the evidence that you already found from the documents to support your topic sentence. So, to break that down just a little bit further, to this point in time, you have gone through other people's opinions about whether or not the NBA should or should not be doing business with China. You have also been talking about this in class and learning about what China does, whether it matters to you. So you have gathered all of these different perspectives and put evidence in those little boxes. So for this last part, it is about your own personal opinion. Which pieces of evidence stuck with you the most? So you would take, let's say that you said the NBA should continue doing business with China. You would go through your above documents and find pieces of evidence that support that point. I think it's pretty obvious, but go somewhere. If you said that the NBA should, go through documents where you highlighted that they should. That's where you're going to find the best evidence. From there, you copy these down into these 3 sentences, and then you do your concluding sentence. Just a quick refresher, a topic sentence is basically introducing your idea. You have this sentence starter here that you could obviously use. I believe the NBA should, or should not, depending on which one you choose, work with China because, and then you kind of give a brief little explanation of what your personal opinion is. In these spaces, you give your 3 most important pieces of evidence that support your topic sentence. The concluding sentence is essentially just wrapping up your thoughts, summarizing, and just making everything nice and finalized. From there, you basically turn this into your final draft. So you use your pre-write above to write your final paragraph in the space below. It should be at least 5 sentences, which makes sense if you look at this above. Now, don't just slap or copy-paste a bunch of pieces of evidence in there. Make sure it flows together. It should go something along the lines of, I believe the NBA should be doing business with China because of reasons that you list. From document 1, and then you kind of list the evidence. Maybe break it down, maybe not. And then you keep doing that for each one. And then your concluding sentence, which is one last time, just wrapping up your thoughts, finalizing your decision, and finishing it up. If you're still not feeling confident about writing this final draft or even the pre-write section, please don't be afraid to jump into your teacher's live class or their office hours or Google Meets. We're there to help, and we've wrote many of these before, so just let us know.